Alright guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Bangka for our day 1. So tour A ang kinuha ko ngayon. So mamaya makikita nyo yung mga stops namin.
Where are you from?
Denmark.
Denmark?
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you for coming here in Coron.
Thank you for having us.
Because like you enjoyed. Because okay. And then ma'am sir, the tour today is tour A package, right? Because now we have a 6 attraction. Because now we have a 4 stop. Because we have a 1 destination, 2 destination. Because ma'am, now the first destination, the Green Lagoon, 2-in-1 destination. Okay, and then ma'am, from here going to the first destination, 15 minutes and 59 seconds. Okay, yes. Yes. Okay ma'am sir, the next destination, ma'am, 2-in-1 destination also, Islas de Coral and CYC. Okay, and then ma'am, my favorite island for taking your lunch, the Sunset Beach, because the Sunset Beach love the activities, kayaking, eat first, kayaking, swimming, and snorkeling on the island. If you want snorkeling, my friend, snorkeling. Okay, because ma'am, now at the final stop, the Kayangan Lake. As Kayangan Lake ma'am, is a brackish water, 70% pressed, 30% salt. Mas better po sa ice natin yan. Because ma'am, the Kayangan Lake ma'am, trekking 367 steps up and down. Okay, because ma'am, now our poor activities for today, trekking, kayaking, swimming, and relaxing in eating today. Okay ma'am, much better ma'am. Can I ask your name and where you from and what is your talent? No talent, no lunch. Okay? Just only joke. Don't forget in your name ha, everybody ha. Don't forget. What is your talent sir? Eating. Wow. B3. Because the boat ma'am, we have a comfort room there. We have, if you want to use, it's okay, no problem. Because ma'am, the name of the boat crew, captain, where's the captain? Captain Sparrow. The Coast Guard, BC. And then, the king of the anchor, kuya, what's your name? Jason, and at the back, the chef cook. What's the name? Jerwin, and Jason, and captain, Gideon, and Jade Paul. Okay? Because ma'am, I'm reminders, during navigation where your life best. Because I'm just wait for the captain ha. Because the arrange po ma'am yung ating ano lang, in the Coast Guard. Because the Coast Guard here is very strictly. Because sometimes, hard wave and strong wind can always ano na sir, clear po nila. Okay? And then ma'am, once again ha, from here going to the first destination, the 2-in-1 destination, the Green Lagoon and Reef Kuha Garden, 15 minutes and 59 seconds. Life vest for kayaking here. And then you know kayak ma'am, you just follow me for snorkeling here. Okay? Because the first much better you can kayaking going to the inside the lagoon. Okay? Because ma'am, once again, ma'am, I remind your pocket, ma'am. Always be careful, ha? Because sometimes we have inside the cell phone or what po. Malaglag. Okay? Because I'll stay here 1 hour and 59 seconds. After on the boat, ma'am, we have a ladder there, the left side.
Yung kayak. Salitan.
Hindi mo nagkakayak, ma'am. Doon po kayo, ma'am. Sir?
Salitan po yung
Hindi,
kayak.
sir. Nirent po nila yan, sir.
Oh.
Pinang-rent nila.
Alright, so nandito na kami sa first destination namin, Coral Garden and Reef Garden
Yes
and
po, sir.
ano yung pangalan isa?
Red Garden.
Tsaka
Green Lagoon.
tsaka Green Lagoon pala. Eh yung aming tour guide.
Kuya Paul.
Yan, so 2-in-1 to guys, magkakayaking kami and snorkeling mamaya.
there.
Guys, so ito na, nandito na kami sa, nagkakayak ako. So papunta kami doon sa lagoon guys, yan. Ang ganda ng tubig. Kayak muna kami dahil pakita ko yung lugar mamaya. Yan, ganyan kaganda guys yung ano. And kung titignan mo, green na green yung tubig niya, grabe. Kaya pala Green Lagoon ang pangalan niya. Yan. So later guys, pakita ko na lang sa inyo. Yan, tignan nyo yung lugar ko. Oh, sobrang ganda. Yan. Look at that guys. Napakaganda ng tubig. Yan, kulay green na green. That's why this is called Green Lagoon. Yan. Yan guys. So paddle ulit kami. Guys, so sobra tingin ko mababaw tong tubig eh. Pwedeng mag-snorkeling. Diba? Grabe, napakalinaw ng tubig. Yan. And look at this. Look at the view. Clear water. Amazing view. Very majestic place. Look at this place guys. Oh. Alright guys, so this is the end of the Green Lagoon, ano? Hanggang dito lang pala siya. Small, para lang siyang small lagoon guys, no? It's like the small lagoon in El Nido. Oh. Ganda ng rock formations.
Ito, all throughout the duration of our etong kayak or dito lang na
Hindi, ano yan, buong araw na. Oh, ang ganda oh. Look. Ang ganda ng tubig oh. Eh, napakalinaw guys. This is the other side. Napakalinaw ng tubig. Grabe. Yan, grabe guys oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Clear water. Saka yung mga limestone, super ang ganda. Napakalinaw.
for the crystal tile. Pak. Nun. Aura, sige lang ate. Kaya mo yan. Oh, wala na yung cellphone natin. Ginamit na.
Sa kanilang isa.
Wala na.
Go na to na.
Oh, yan, go na.
Sorry. Yung sasagot. Ang bilis mo. Nice shot. Sa ba ito? Hindi ko alam. Pabaga tayo, baga tayo. Pabaga tayo. Pero maganda yung shot.
Ah, bubog tayo sa ano.
Okay na. Bigyan na natin ulit.
5 seconds.
Ayan, recording ulit.
Ay, sorry. Sorry.
Teka tayo. Stop ko muna, sir. Kuya.
Alright guys, so ayan. Ayan yung pabalik na kami ngayon dun sa boat namin. And then, after nito, mag-snorkeling naman po kami. Ganda ng view, grabe. Parang, it's like small lagoon sa El Nido guys. Small lagoon, tsaka or yung big lagoon nila. Halos parehas po yan. Sabi ko na nga ba, may part na mababa. Oh. Nakakatayo na si kuya. Look at that place. So this is the paradise. The paradise of Coron. Beautiful place. Oh. Ayan. Alright. So we're done with our kayaking. Yan, nakahiga ako dito. Then after nito, pupunta naman kami ngayon for our snorkeling. Okay, so ayan, we will start our snorkeling na. So tapos na ako na magpalipad ng drone tsaka mag-kayaking and hopefully makaabot ako kasi kanina pa yata sila doon.
today, swimming, kayaking, snorkeling. Okay, if you want to explore for the island at the back, it's okay. So CUSC is that it's one at two-in-one destination, White Sand and Ref Garden. But if you want to go there, the Coral Garden, be careful. But 1,000 sea urchin. But the water today is low tide. Okay, if you want to go there, always float. Bring your life jacket. So then bring your aqua shoes. All right. So after that, we can go to the next lunch area.
Alright guys, so nandito po kami sa CYC Beach. Dito yung ano, no? Ito yung mga pagkain namin. Nandito po yung kusina namin, guys.
Okay na, sir.
Yan, kakain na po, mamaya.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Ito, sir. Ito, saan, sir? Baka makita mo yun. Buka, sir. Baka makita mo yun.
Mababaw ba dito?
Mababaw, sir. Hanggang dito lang yan. Gusto mo tumalon? O, sir.
Gusto ko lang, ano, para makapag-swim.
Sige, sir. Talon ka, sir. Talon. Talon.
Wait lang, ha? Dito sa CYC Beach, guys, no? Pwede kang mag-kayaking. And then swimming. And then meron ditong parang coral garden. Yun nga lang hindi nila inaalaw na dito mag-snorkeling kasi nga sobrang dami daw ng sea urchins doon. May 10,000 sea urchins daw silang sinasabi. Buti na lang tong place na to, yung pinag-dock namin medyo mababa. Hanggang bewang pa lang. So swimming lang talaga kami dito, guys. Guys, so tingnan mo, sobrang linaw ng tubig. Nagkakayak yung iba kong kasama, guys. Sobrang linaw ng tubig. Ito may parang mangrove. Ang ganda. Tsaka yung puno na yun, ang ganda. Yan, nagtatawag na yung aming bangka. Kasi nga 30 minutes lang talaga inalaw nila sa amin dito guys. Kasi lunch time na namin, 12 o'clock na rin. And then kailangan pa uli namin magbiyahe ng mga 15 minutes lang naman daw. So ayan guys, nag-prepare na sila for our lunch. Hello. Ay, parang pare-parehas lang. Ayan guys, lunch na po.
Ay, daw sa kanyo, manapon.
Ayun na po ng lunch.
Okay, from here, 15 minutes and 59 seconds also. Yes. Because ma'am, the sunset beach ma'am, it's a lunch area po siya. Because ma'am, late na po tayo, kaya hindi kailangan pa
Ay,
kayo.
magla-lunch din tayo doon.
Opo sir, lunch tayo doon.
Ulit?
Opo. Meron dyan, Letson Biletsi. Nagkalit si Let's. Sa low tide, it's not possible going inside the front on the beach because ma'am, much better they have the activities here, snorkeling in kayaking, going to the beach. Okay, and then there you can see the corals there and the fishes. And much better you need the aqua shoes and life vest. Okay, because ma'am stay here 45 minutes stay here. Yes. Then after this we're going to the highlights. The Kayangang Lake. Okay. Kaya ma'am.
Alright guys, so nandito na kami sa may Sunset Beach. Supposed to be dito kami talaga dapat magla-lunch. Yun nga lang, nag-decide yung ano namin na yung tour coordinator namin doon na lang sa may CYC Beach. So ang activity dito, kayaking, swimming, and snorkeling. Mukhang magandang mag-snorkeling dito guys, sobrang linaw ng tubig.
dahil mo itong Kayangan, we have the right. It means, that's because the direct you're in Tagbanot Drive. It means, welcome, tuloy po kayo. Okay? Because ma'am, once again, bring to all your belongings. Going to the other side. Okay, you just follow me.
Alright guys, so welcome to Kayangan Lake. Ito na. Ito na yung pinaka-highlight ng Tour A na Tour A dito sa Coron. Ganda, linaw ng tubig. Ganda oh. Sabi, ganda.
Kung kami bilangin, ma'am, ha? Ano yung tingin nyo doon lang sa taas? Dito lang. Malulula kayo yan, ma'am. Afternoon, welcome to my vlog.
Yan.
Hello,
So,
good afternoon. Dala kami sa Kayangan.
Shout out.
Shoutout ka pala. Sa nagdala ka. Sige, wala po.
Sabi nga nito.
Ako, sir? First time pa lang dito, sir? Ganito pala to dito. Maganda ang kulong. My friend, be careful. There we have a baby shark. Baby shark, chut chut chut. Baby shark. Mommy shark. Don't worry because the shark there is vegetarian. No eat people because you're handsome, me too. Hello everybody, welcome to my paradise. Okay, I think guys, the food is not allowed inside. Okay, don't bring the food inside. And then cigarette, drone, fingers, not allowed. And then if you buy something because we have a 7 point.
Ay sir, bawal pala yung drone.
Magkayak pa kami. Sa Bolden, punta ka. Ay sir, boss, boss, yung drone pwede dito or
Dito sir, sa kabila bawal. Opo.
kaya nadala ko yung sa akin, okay lang ba?
Sir?
Daling ko lang doon.
Oo naman sir. Ano ba dyan?
Pero yung malaking turnover doon yung kay lumamang daw ng 10. Yung ganyan eh.
Alright po na. Start na kami ng trekking pataas. So, konting steps lang naman to. Okay. Ay, pagod ah.
Kaya ba, ma'am? Sir! Pahinga po, sir. Pahinga.
Sigaw na kayo. Ma'am.
Kailan lang saka mo kami papahirapan, no? Malas ito yan.
First picture.
Bakit?
So this one is a picture taking highlights view dig in Coron Island.
One person shot on.
Yeah.
Dapat para. Nandiyan traffic.
Ito na yung ano. Yung lagi kong laki.
Yes.
Musa, no?
Sir. Pagod na pagod, sir. Dito muna tayo, ma'am, picture taking. Kasi baka mamaya, more pila po dito mamaya. Baka hindi na tayo makapag-shot na mga ganda. Mas mag-better ngayon. Kundi lang. Kasi in the morning, more people flying. Yeah. Picture muna tayo.
Walang tayo, Jed. Kahit asawa mo.
Okay, sorry. Walang tayo.
Picture first! Madam!
Ma'am, dito tayo, ma'am. Sa line.
Ganito pala dito sa atin. Just only joke. I'm a strong man. I'm Iron Man. Batman. I'm not a Barbie man. I'm not a liar man.
Then call me pagka it's our time. Diba tawagan nila pag tawagan nila.
Ganyan palang kahaba ang pila. Grabe.
No, we should go there. No.
Haba ng pila. Iwan ka.
Lake na tayo, sir. Lake. Ano kaya yun? Talo na naman.
Miami ka? Miami ka?
Oo.
Alam plus?
Alam lamang na kayo na yun. 10 ka.
5 lang? Metro lang na lang bro.
Baliktad. Yun.
Sira?
Wala kang plus, parehas. Bray. Talo na naman ako sa Miami.
Ha? Ba't nag-Miami ka?
Okay tayo daw mga mga. Dito pa sila doon, nag-Miami. Talo ang team nila pero panalo sila ng podcast. Talo team nila pero panalo sila ng podcast. Sunod. Nalap sa ibig mo. Pwede ba lang naman? Panalo ba?
May kumakabuka ka rin eh. Para nandyan si Ursula.
Naglayo ang isda.
You're never gonna pill with me.
Sa'yo, baba tayo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Alright, so at last ito na. Nandito na kami sa famous Kayangan Lake. So ito na yung ginawang last ng tour guide namin. Ay, sorry.
Wait, sa anak, wait, sa anak.
Sorry.
Dili mag-jump.
Thank you.
Dili na mag-update ko lang sa stone.
Yan, so ayan, so normally ang lake daw na to sa amin nila 70% fresh water, 30% salt water. So, ay yung term na ginamit nila, rockish. Hello. So let's try now kung anong meron. Pero sabi nila wala naman daw mga corals dito, puro mga may mga shell daw dati na mga pusa bato lang. Yan. But ngayon daw yata parang wala na. So wala na rin masyadong makikita yata dito talaga sa ano. Hello. Yan. So after at napakahaba pala ng pila dun sa view deck kanina. Okay. So let's try guys na mag-swimming. Oh my god, I love this angle guys. Napakaganda ng angle na to. Ayan. Perfect. Love this angle. And dito daw pala sa Kayangan Lake guys, no? Hindi kayo allowed na mag-swimming ng walang life jacket. Dito yung sa documentary ni Howie Subirino before na merong namatay from Czech Republic. So dalawang lalaking namatay from Czech Republic, no? So simula daw noon pinaklose tong lugar and then hindi na sila nag-allow na may mag-swimming ng walang life jacket dito. Kasi nga medyo daw delikado. Okay, make sure guys pag nandito kayo, pag sapatos kayo guys kasi matatalim yung mga bato dito guys. As much as possible. Try to wear comfortable shoes guys. Ayan. Oh.
Wow.
Oh. Ayan, medyo matabang yung tubig. Talagang tinikmang ko pa.
But you do only Philippines today?
So, yan.
Okay.
Nangi tayo.
So like me, but only Cambodia. I did also Cambodia. Cambodia, nobody likes it. If you do the casual routine, it's not.
Yung side na tong ganda ng view.
I went to the jungle.
Yung side na yan guys. Yung ganda. Alright guys. Okay. So actually medyo hindi din naman magandang mag-snorkeling dito guys. No? Kasi wala kang makikita sa ilalim. No? And then, pero masarap i-enjoy yung tubig guys. Yung tubig niya is hindi siya mainit, hindi din malamig. Katamtaman lang. Then, yun nga, medyo matabang siya. Hindi mo siya masasabing parang seawater talaga, no? So, hindi mo masabing salt water talaga siya. Kasi nga, yun nga, parang ano siya actually 70%, mas malaking percentage na talagang ano siya, fresh water. So ayan guys, so bali ito lang naman ang gagawin mo dito talaga. Pero masarap i-enjoy yung tubig. And hindi din siya maganda for snorkeling, no? Kasi malabo yung sa ilalim niya. Alright guys, pabalik na kami. Actually pabalik na ako. Gusto ko pa sanang mag-enjoy dito, kaya lang medyo limited yung time and kailangan pa magpalipad ng drone. So meron na ako na ibang unang kasama doon na nagkakayak. And then ako naman is magpapalipad ng drone. So para hindi kami maghintayan mamaya. Alright. Then sabi nila hindi daw kasi allowed magpalipad ng drone dito sa mismong kayangan. So kailangan talaga namin magpalipad doon sa dito sa labas pa yung dinaanan namin kanina. You go ahead, sir.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so sabi meron daw bonus destination eh. Hopefully meron nga, no. Para at least kahit pa paano eh madadagdagan yung iba-vlog ko. Hello.
Hello.
Ayan guys, pabalik na kami ng bangka. Ito na, nakatingin na sa akin yung mga tao sa bangka. Although hindi naman akong pinakahuli. Meron pa. Alright guys, so pabalik na rin yung mga kasama ko. And nakapagpalipad na rin ako ng drone. So thank you Lord for the good weather, no? So bali ito na yung pinaka last stop namin. And so bali dito na din mag-e-end tong dito namin for island hopping. So dito ko na rin siguro i-end tong vlog ko, and from Kayangan Lake. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly out through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me.